My name is Billy Gerrish, and I got my master's out here in Santa Fe, St. John's College, about 10 years ago. 3 semesters here at the Santa Fe campus and 1 semester in Annapolis. And ever since then, I've been kind of hooked on the St. John's way of life. I think everyone has their own style. That's what makes St. John's so unique and powerful, is that it draws such a wide range of people, different cultures and ages and backgrounds and viewpoints that engage the text, the greatest text ever here at the college, in different ways. I'm not necessarily one of those gifted individuals that can sit and read for an hour or 2 hours. I miss a lot of things. So I rely a lot on other brothers and sisters around the table to help put flesh to the ideas that I have in my head, and also to maybe rework them or explore different sets of ideas with respect to the text. Growing up, I was an ADD guy. I was on medicine. I had extra time on the SATs. Played sports through college. Always sort of viewed myself, viewed me as more the athlete than the intellectual. And I came out here. Took a year off of teaching and came out here and started engaging the text, reading. In the beginning, I was I totally lacked confidence. So when you're sharing like your soul and your mind, it's a very intimate experience and it's uncomfortable, certainly from in the beginning. But if you can engage it and bare yourself and realize that you're going to sound silly sometimes, you might be wrong or whatever wrong is, and just be able to keep moving, the reward's great. It took me to come here to understand, to open my mind, and realize that there's a lot of interesting tools in there that I can use and sharpen. Well, I always say that the people here are a collection of some of the nicest people that I interact with throughout the year.